Hello and welcome to the automated HIPAA IT security compliance tool QuickStart video guide by xTerraLink. When downloading the application from our website, you should save it to a place on your computer where it can easily be found, such as on your Windows desktop. Once downloaded, to run the application, you will need to be an administrator. If you double-click on the application, like so, a pop-up information window will be displayed reminding you to run it as an administrator, as you see here. You will simply need to right-click the application logo with your mouse and select Run as Administrator. If this is the first time running the tool, it will prompt you for a license key. If you don't have a license key and want to run the tool in demo mode, then you just click on the Run in Demonstration Mode button. In demo mode, note that you will not have the capabilities to make any configuration changes and will go straight to scanning your local machine only, with only one generated report that shows 2 to 3 HIPAA IT security gaps or findings. For this tutorial, however, we have a licensed product. If this is your first time running the tool, the first pop-up will be the license agreement. Please read through and select Accept License and Continue if you agree with the terms and agreement of the end user license. Next will be the QuickStart video guide, which you're watching now, that shows how easy it is to run and configure the tool. The license agreement and QuickStart video guide will not pop up after your first run of the tool, but it is still available to be reviewed from the Help menu of the main GUI. Note that you may skip watching the video by simply clicking the Continue button, and the tool is off to discover and scan your network. As the tool is scanning your local machine, it is also performing a discovery of all your network machines, which may take some time depending upon the number of computers in your network. While we wait for the scanner to finish, let me quickly go over 3 basic requirements that the tool will need to run. 1. It would need an administrator username and password, which we've already discussed. 2. The operating system on all machines must be either Windows 7 or higher. And 3. Each machine scan needs to have access to the internet, whether hardwire or Wi-Fi. Okay, so now the first configuration window displayed is the Remote Machine Administrator Credentials and Mappings. This window displays all discovered machines on my network with the name and physical addresses, but you don't need to worry about that. What you don't see here is the local machine, since it has already been scanned. The main purpose of this window is to enter your administrator usernames and passwords for each of the remote machines that you would like to be part of the scan and report. Now, what if all my machines have the same administrator username and password? Well, that's pretty easy. All I need to do is place them on the top and click on this checkbox, then click Save and Close. If you want to select only a few machines that you would like to scan on this list, then use the Deselect All button and then select the machines you would like to be scanned. You can always have access to this setting by clicking on the top menu and then selecting Credential Configuration. Okay, now we have the Report Customization and Settings window. The purpose of this window is to customize your HIPAA compliance reports with your practice logo, report image, or theme of your cover page on your report. Now, let's go ahead and enter in the info on the first tab, as you can see here, and then once we are done, we can hit Save/Next to go to the next tab. Here, we select an image for the report. Click Save Next to go to the third. Here, you can select your practice's logo, and this is how the final cover sheet of your report will look like under the Report Preview. However, please note that this is not a necessary step, only an option. Save Next again for the fourth and last tab, which is the location of your generated reports will be stored at. This is your default location, but if you would like to store them somewhere else, click on this button and select New Location. Click Save and Close to exit again, noting that changing your reports directory is not necessary, only an option. Now that the main window of the tool is on the screen, we are now ready to scan all selected remote machines. Note that the local machine here, highlighted in green, means it's already been scanned. Note that the tool also scans your Wi-Fi router and recognizes and selects what you're currently connected to on your Wi-Fi. Also notice the dial, which indicates to the user your score from the last scan. If it is all grayed out, it means this is your first time running the tool and no score history has been found. Let's go ahead and scan. Click here and let the application do its thing. So now it will try to connect to each selected remote machine on my network to scan and run the HIPAA IT security standards against each computer and its data collected. This may take some time depending upon the size of your networked machines. Now, if the tool could not remote connect to one or more machines on your network, you will be notified with a new pop-up window to help you remediate 2 potential reasons or scenarios as to why the tool could not connect. We will assume on the QuickStart video guide that the remote connections were successful. Okay, now that the application has completed its scan successfully, we have the Office Application and Practice Management Software questionnaire now up on the screen. Let's go ahead and answer the 11 questions presented to us to help complete the risk assessment. So, let's go ahead and start answering all the questions on the form. So 1, I'll select Gmail. And 2, I'm not sure if it's encrypted, so I'm just going to answer I don't know. 3, 4, yes. 5, no. 6, yes. Simply continue to read each question and providing the proper answer. Okay, so we answered all questions. Now it's time to generate reports, to have the tool generate the HIPAA IT security compliance reports. A pop-up will appear indicating that the tool is now generating the reports. Once done, the pop-up will disappear and the folder where your reports are available will come up. Here are the 3 generated PDF format reports. Number 1 is the HIPAA IT Security Risk Assessment Report. 2 is the HIPAA IT Security Management Plan. And 3 is the HIPAA IT Security Supporting Document. Note that the reports are not only date and time stamped, but they are also encrypted for your own protection and security. If we try to open a report, it will prompt me for a password key. To get your unique key to decrypt any of the generated reports, click on Report from the top main menu and select View Report Password. This will generate a key in real time, and all you have to do is click on Copy and Close to copy the key to your clipboard, and then go back to the PDF prompt and right-click on the mouse and paste it in. Doing so, you will be able to open the report. Please note that this passkey will also be used to open all reports that are generated. That's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed watching the Quick Start Guide. And if there are any questions or comments you have, please feel free to send us an email or visit our website on the links on the screen or in the description below. Thank you.